Alright, took my dogs on a walk. Here is what it looks like now. Look at that, we're getting the purple skies and the pink skies and the orange skies. I'm gonna check with my other camera. I don't see the moon out today. I don't see a moon today. I only think the look, don't they look like cirrus clouds, like when it's about to snow? That's what those are called, right? I believe. There's a lot of electrostatic interference again. I don't know if you can hear it, but there you go. That's today. That is 10/10/2025 around 7:18 p.m.